Brought our waterfowl ecology class over here today to see Doug's guys putting transmitters on, taking some blood samples, and just kind of getting an idea of what they're doing with their birds. First chance we've had this year with all the crazy weather to even get with them and see some of this. So it's a pretty good quick lab experience, I guess we could say, for them.
So we had them bring these hens to Monticello, and we're putting the transmitters out with Chris Sims' class. It's his waterfowl class. So we're putting these transmitters out, we're drawing blood, we're taking a feather sample so that we can kind of link all of this data together. And they're gonna get these transmitters here, and then we're gonna send them back to Texarkana with the technicians so that they can be released in the exact same spot that we let them go, or we caught them in.
We had birds, an opportunity to bring birds on the campus for deploy a couple of these transmitters just for ease of logistics purposes, and so we brought the waterfowl class over here that, you know, we've struggled to get out this year because of COVID, and so they get an opportunity to come to mingle with us in the lab here.
Our goal was 5,000 birds, but with this big freeze that we had, we were kind of knocked out for 2 weeks. So we didn't quite get, you know, the number that we wanted, but this is one of the higher years that we've had. This program's been going on for 8 years, so to get, you know, close to 4,000 birds is a good year for us, for sure.
Trying to get well enough above the end of that, and that's
kind of
all,
like when you clip your own fingernails or something. You don't want to clip down too far. Same with the
we're trying to link the location in which that bird grew that feather. He grew it on the breeding ground. He was molting. That he lost all his flight feathers. He grew them back on the breeding ground, and so we can test this for stable isotopes, hydrogen ratio, to look at linking it back to water on the landscape, and so we can identify where this general location is in the United States.
If anything, it probably just gets the kids more excited about the concept, gives them a little idea of what it's all about. You know, other than just sitting there talking about them all the time, actually getting to see them.